Hey YouTubers, I just want to show you a solution for a car that cranks up but it won't turn over. Okay, this is a Mercedes 2001 model and it cranks up but it won't turn over. Okay, here is what's happening. Okay, come, here's the key. Okay, here's the key, and you put the key in the ignition as you do, but you just see, you heard that? It won't turn over. Okay, it just cranks up but won't turn over. Listen again. Okay, okay, now this is what you do. I'm a pause. Okay, I won't even pause it. This is what you do. Okay, come to the battery. Come to the battery. Oh, let me get the bypass out here. You open the back seat. Okay, I've already opened the back seat. Open the back seat, and then you come down here and you pull out. See, all the fuses under the seat. Pull out the fuse. Okay, here's, I mean, not the fuse, the relay. Put it out. Okay, and you see this cord? That's all you need. Then you put it in there on these parts here. Okay, one up here. Can you see? Put one, the other end on there, and the other end on here. Okay, there we go. And then see, one other end over there and the other end over there. Okay, and then you put back your relay just to keep it in. Okay, you ain't gotta put it all the way, just put it, just to keep the cord in there so you don't come off. Okay, okay, there we go, just to keep it in there. Okay, and then when you come to the car, now let's see what happens. Okay, there it runs. Okay, then it cranks up, it runs. You see, you hear? Okay, there we go.